Morning everyone, my name is Mr. Chinonso. In our previous class we treated weight and we defined it based on what we have on the board. But in today's class we'll be doing something different from weight. Today's class we'll be looking at capacity, objects used in measuring capacity. So we'll be knowing these objects in mathematics. So with this, we can easily go through the definition of capacity. Capacity is the amount a container can hold. This is a container. You can put any form of liquid in form of water, oil, your kerosene, your honey, your milk, liquid milk, they're all liquid. So liquid is not just for water. Water is under liquid, milk is under liquid, kerosene is under liquid. Anything that can flow, majorly anything that can flow is called liquid. You have so many liquid that flows. Your water flows, your honey, your milk, your kerosene, your palm oil or your granite oil. So these are all liquid. So with this, we'll be looking at capacity. Capacity is any form of container used in storing what? Liquid. Capacity is the amount a container can hold. So you repeat after me as we define capacity. So in your leisure time, you can easily define capacity effectively. Repeat after me. Capacity is the amount a container can hold. Good. So let's go further. The most common units of capacity is liter and milliliter. These are the two common units. This is bigger than this. This is the smallest unit in capacity. Milliliter is the smallest unit in capacity. Milliliter is the smallest unit in capacity. Measure liquid. Say what? We use capacity, which is this is capacity, to measure liquid. So you can put your liquid here, any type. Some of the tools used every day to determine capacity include. So we want to look at some of the tools. This is one of the tools. We want to look at some of the tools used in measuring, which is determine what? Capacity. You know them all, but we'll be listing it. Number one is cups. You take cup of tea, you put your tea in your cup and you take it. You can't do what? You can't fill it beyond the what? Capacity. It will pour over. So you have to fill it based on the capacity. So which is your cup is number one. Spoons. You take your spoons to drink your tea. You sip your tea. You use a spoon to sip your tea. So a teaspoon or any form of tea, any form of spoon is a form of capacity. Even the one your mom used in cooking is also a capacity. Number three is gallons. Sometimes you see your dad taking taking maybe a jerry can or a gallon to get food from the welfare station. So that is an example of gallon. You can put other form of liquid inside too, maybe your water. You fetch water with your gallon, you take it home, you use it for other domestic chores. So gallons are also form of capacity. We have your buckets. You use buckets to bathe, or use it to wash, or use it for other domestic chores. So maybe when you use it to put your soap to mop the floor. So you use your capacity, which is your bucket. So you have your jug, you have Like this, we have an electric jug here. You open it, you put that in your liquid, which is water, and you boil your water, or you can put it to take your water or your tea, or mix your tea to drink. Now this is another form of capacity. It's bigger than this. So this is measured in different liter to this. So in our unit we use milliliter because this is not up to a liter. But in this can be 1 liter or a little bit above 1 liter. So this is a bigger capacity compared to this. This is smaller to this. Now we go to bowl. Use a bowl to wash your hands or do other domestic chores. So we have so many We have so many forms of capacity. This is your teacup, you put water. This is also a capacity. Anything that can hold water is called capacity. Anything you can put liquid inside is called capacity. Your tin milk is also a capacity. Even your powder milk, where the container used in storing your powder milk is also a capacity. Good. Now we want to look at metric table on capacity. We want to look at different units of capacity. Now the first unit here we said is milliliters, which is the smallest unit among all these units. 10 milliliters make 1 centiliter. 10 milliliters make 1 centiliters. 10 centiliters make 1 deciliter. 10 centimeters make 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters make 1 liter. 10 deciliters make 1 liter. 100 centiliters make 1 liter. 100 centiliters make 1 liter. 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. 1000 liters make 1 kiloliter. This is the highest form of capacity. 1000 liters make 1 kiloliters. So we'll be looking at the abbreviation form of this metric table. ml means milliliter. Whenever you see ml is milliliter, it is short form for milliliter. This is milliliters. So 10 milliliters, m is milli, l is liter. 10 milliliter is equal to 1 centiliter. C means centi, L means liter, so centiliter, centiliter. Anyway you see L is liter. The same thing here, centiliter, deciliter, deciliter. So D is for deci and L is for liter. Deciliter. 10 deciliter is 1 liter. L means liter. Whenever you see L in capacity, it means liter. 100 centiliter is equal to 1 liter. It's the same as 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is the same as 1 liter. 1000 liter is the same as 1 kiloliter. Now this is measured. This is also a capacity. Can you see how big this is? You can compare it to this. This is bigger and this is smaller. This is measured in milliliters. Any small capacity is measured in milliliters, and this is measured in liter because it's bigger, so you can't put it in milliliter. It's in liter. So I would love you to go through this with me once more. You repeat after me as we read it again. 10 milliliters make 1 centiliter. Again, 10 milliliters make 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters Make 1 deciliter. 10 centiliters. Make 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters. Make 1 liter. 10 deciliters. Make 1 liter. 100 centiliters. Make 1 liter. 100 centiliters. Make 1 liter. 1000 milliliters. Make 1 liter. 1000 milliliters. Make 1 liter. 1000 liters. Make 1 kiloliter. 1000 liters. Make 1 kiloliters. Bravo! Thank you for joining me in today's class. I know that with this you'll be able to answer some questions that will be given to you after this class. Thank you for attending. Bye.